Welcome by the Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. We're a bit hungry, but we're in the beautiful Portland. I don't know if you guys can see the waves.
Oh, you can just stop and do it.
Yeah, let me just stop and go across here. Put up on an island settings. Yeah. Just the waves. It's a really great day, pretty much. Isn't it? But there with Judah, and she in her mask same way, you know. She's in her mask same way.
Don't judge me, guys.
But yeah, we just here trying to get something to eat. I don't know what we're gonna be getting to eat today, but we're going as far as maybe Boston jerk. So that's the deal. I'm gonna show you guys a better view of this here. Oh shoot! No, because I thought I had a better angle from whatever. I'm gonna try to show you guys like a better view of yeah, man, I can't see it. Anyway, guys. Alright, guys, so I just stopped for a quick second by a little beach ends. It's pretty calm. Look like out them side there, the fisherman them just come with them boat and thing and get ready for the road, you know. It's kind of windy, so don't mind that. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that's enough for that because we're hungry, so we're heading back inside. But yeah, it's a chill day. Nothing special about the vlog. Just trying to get some food. Gonna stop? So I'm gonna stop.
Isn't it like a better?
Yo, guys, I had to stop again for this one, yo. Check it out, yo. Jano. It's just so immense. Like, if I yo, I'm gonna show you guys a bit of cinematics so you guys can see what I'm seeing. And Judah came out of the car, so you know that the scenes here are like really good. Really good. The waves are like really rough though, but yeah. Anyway, we're gonna keep searching for somewhere to eat. Alright guys, so we stopped by Boston. Well, Boston jerk is down there, just a perspective. That's where we were the last time. But Judah wants to go to this one here. I guess it should be the same type of, you know, vibe. And then we'll just go down to the beach and then eat down there. But yeah, let's go check out the menu. Alright. Or not. She was like, yo, let's go try to get super pizza. They must sell super pizza. No soup. Alright guys, so instead of paying like $4 to go by the beach, we came to our free view, which is where we are. At the Seacliff. Oh babe! What? I might appear something down there, so. But let's stay here, it's fine. Yeah, so this is gonna be pretty much our view while we eat our jerk food. Man, still the plug. I know so no fast. I don't know so I'll go on another plate. So we just got some jerk chicken. We got festival as well, right babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, got jerk chicken festival. Pina colada again from the same guy. And slider breadfruits, pretty much. Yeah.
And the pork.
Oh, we got pork too. A little bit of pork as well. These festivals are very small, but the flavor is really good. It's really nice. Yo guys, the view is nice, right? Still a very gloomy day in Portland, but it is what it is. So a little bit of pork over there, some chicken with the hot sauce and some ketchup. That's why it looks so orange. Anyway, we out. Now we're gonna call a fire truck fast. Pepper of Judah motor weird. That's some good old jerk. We tell the man say we want jerk on it, the man say all over the fight? Oh, see that?
Done.
Anyway guys, I'm still eating. Just still eating some food and you know, taking in the view. The view is immense. You know? Surely beats the typical everyday views of eating food. You understand? So my girlfriend has the most interesting ways to tell me that she's ready. She goes, babe, something biting at my foot.
But it's true. Some more.
Anyway guys, I think we're gonna end the vlog right here. It's pretty cool hanging with you guys. We're gonna go up to the room and chill. I know these Portland vlogs are just pretty chill. Not much direction to them, just chilling and hanging out. But anyway, remember these three.
Hopefully. But hopefully we can get to finish watching that movie.
Oh yeah, we need to.
That was pretty funny.
Anyway guys, remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember to
keep the link.